So this is how I make a keto breakfast. It's usually just basically an omelet. So we crack 2 eggs, mix in 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil, mix in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, mix in some spinach. I find frozen is better than fresh. And this seasoning mix is just 2 parts salt, 1 part pepper, and 1 part onion powder. Now you can use a tablespoon of butter to fry the eggs. I'm using bacon grease right now. I just chop up a whole thing of frozen bacon, and then I'll put maybe 1 bacon stick worth into the mixture. Okay, so we're gonna whisk all this up. I used to make a lot of stuff separate, like drink the heavy cream separate, and it's just really easier just to mix everything together and put it into the omelet. And the only other ingredients we add to this is half an avocado, which goes on top, and then when the whole omelet's done, we melt a little bit of cheese on top. So once we have the bacon sizzling and greasy, I'm gonna pour the egg and cook it. Wash the bowl, use the same bowl to serve the meal. And this is what the meal looks like when it's cooked. This is quite a heavy meal. I eat about 2,200 calories a day. But on heavy days, I might add a little more fat and eat 2,500. So that's about 700 calories, 59 grams of fat, 29 grams of protein, and 7 grams of net carbs.